Dane Ian is getting ready to make landfall here at Team UFOs in Florida on the scene. Team UFOs in Florida on the scene. We are here in Miami and we are going to get Hurricane Ian. We're going to get ready to go over to our Fort Myers and get in position on the beach for when this massive mega storm is going to make landfall. You can see already here we are in South Florida. We're in Miami on the East Coast, and look at these waves already this morning. Massive waves. Look at these things. Extreme danger. Extreme danger. Look at these waves. Unbelievable. Extreme wind. I'd say sustained winds this morning of probably around, I'll say 40 to 50 miles an hour already. And this is Team UFO. It's around 7. It's just after sunrise here. You can see the sun just came up here in Miami. And we already have extreme danger. These waves here, look at these waves coming in, look at these. I'd say these waves look like they're probably around 6-foot waves this morning, and sustained winds of around 50 miles an hour. And the storm is offshore, and Team UFO is in extreme danger. There's some birds there. I don't know how those birds are able to fly in these extreme conditions, but somehow they are. Just an unbelievable sighting for those people who are into ornithology. We have put that on our website for you. And here we go, and you can see, again, extreme danger. This storm is coming. We suggest everyone get to shelter, and if possible, you should get some water and maybe some canned goods. Expect the power to be out for some time. This is going to be an extreme danger situation. I'm going to give you some footage here. Very pretty sunrise though. There is also a possibility for treasure hunters and people who are looking for buried treasure. Maybe